Hey, it's JC with Stoner Car Care. Today we're talking about how you can improve the longevity, the performance, and the looks of your wheels and tires. Like and subscribe for our video content. For today's video, you'll need a hose and a 2-bucket wash system, wheel brushes or a brake dust eraser, microfiber towels, a wheel cleaner for helping to remove stubborn brake dust, and a tire shine for the final step. The first step when cleaning your wheels and tires is a wash step. Some people like to start out with their car wash by actually applying their wheel cleaner right away to the wheels. That'll help eat into some of the harder to reach, harder built-in stains that come from your wheels and tires. What we're gonna show in this video is a normal car shampoo step that's gonna do a pre-wash, get rid of some of the easier to remove, bigger solids, and then come back later with the wheel cleaner. Baked on brake dust can be very aggressive, so again, make sure you're getting every surface of the tire and the wheel, and we recommend starting from the top and working your way down. Just make sure you get every surface. Now that our pre-wash is done, we're gonna go ahead and apply our wheel cleaner. We're gonna let that sit for a few minutes to really get at that baked on brake dust. Now that your wheel cleaner's been sitting for a few minutes, getting at that baked on brake dust, go ahead and get after it with your favorite brake dust eraser or wheel brush. Now that you've scrubbed your wheel and tire clean, be sure to rinse thoroughly. Lots of wheel cleaners and tire cleaners use acids and base, which can, if left on too long, cause corrosion in your car, so make sure you rinse very thoroughly. The final step in protecting and cleaning your wheels and tires is applying your favorite tire dressing. You're going to want to avoid your treads and any brake components and focus on putting the proper amount on your tires to make sure you avoid slinging when you drive off. For aerosol tire dressings, you're going to want to avoid spraying in the same location. This can lead to drips, which is unsightly. Focus on making an even coating around the entire wheel. If you're using non-aerosol, be sure to spray and maybe even use a towel or microfiber to wipe even. And that's it for maintaining, protecting, and shining your wheels and tires. Preventative maintenance is really key here. If you can get after your wheels and tires every 1 to 2 months, you can prevent baked on brake dust from staining and destroying your wheels. We hope you liked the video today. See you next time.